Now click.
Hey, Maya, look at Daddy. What are you playing?
I'm playing Starfall.
You're playing Starfall on the computer?
Mm-hmm.
And do you know how to use the mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, let's watch Starfall.
Give this young man a hat. Oh, you already gave him a hat. Okay, here, wait a second.
This is...
Take 2 hands. 1 hand to move the mouse, 1 hand to click, okay? Now pick his arms.
What arms do you
What
want?
arms do you want, Mama?
Then
Okay.
the orange
The
one.
orange ones, okay.
Okay,
Go
with
get
3
them.
hands.
Go get them. There you go. Now,
Click.
okay, now drag.
Oh, you can drag.
Drag. Drag it over. Very good. Now, we need to go to the next page. So move the green arrow. Go to the green arrow. Down. Good. Now, a little bit further down because it needs to turn yellow, remember? Move your mouse a little bit further down. There you go.
Okay.
Now,
No, click.
there you go. Now, you need the scarf.
That one.
Which one?
Which color? What color?
The blue one.
The blue one? Go get the blue one.
Get the blue one. Oh, wait a second. Don't place it yet. You have to put your mouse.
Now kick.
Move it down a little bit. Now click.
Kick.
Are you going to drag and drop it?
Drag it. Drag it over. There you go. Very good. Now go get the green arrow. You have to go to the next page. There you go.
Now kick.
Now click.
Kick.
Remember, don't move your hand when you're clicking. Okay. Now we need a nose.
A nose. That's a,
Yeah, go get that one.
What nose is that?
that's a baby.
The baby nose?
The baby one?
Okay.
Not like them.
Well, you have to click on it first.
Kick.
Go a little bit further down. Bring the mouse a little down. There you go. Now click.
Kick.
Wait. Remember, don't move your hand when you're clicking. Bring it down. Down. A little bit further down. Not that far. There you go. Now drag it.
And kick.
No, don't move it. Don't move it. Go get it. Okay. Drag it onto his face. There you go. Now, go click on the green arrow.
Now there's some cherry one.
Oh, you want to trade for a cherry one?
Cherry nose?
You want a cherry nose instead? Okay. Click on the cherry nose. Oh, a little bit further down. Make sure the hand's right in the middle. So bring the mouse down.
Hey, the nose.
And do you want that nose or the cherry nose?
You have to choose one nose, Mama.
Cherry nose. Click. Click on the cherry nose. There you go.
Now kick.
Now click. Now drag.
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 Drag. Drag. There you go. Very good. Now let's go to the next page to see what else we can do. What is he missing?
He's like
Do you need a mouth?
What do you think of his pulses?
where's the mouth?
With a mouth. Okay. Let's click on it. Oh, don't move your finger before you click, remember? Now keep your finger nice and still. Look at where your arrow is. It needs to be over here, so bring it over. Bring it over. There you go. Now,
Kick.
very good.
Now he needs to top that one.
Want that one? Okay, go get that one. Open that. Very good. Now click.
Kick.
Now drag
Drag
it.
it. Drag it.
There you go. Now let's go to the next page. And let's hear him sing. Okay, now click.
Kick.
Oh, don't move your finger. Click.
1, little 2, little 3, little snowmen. 4, little 5, little 6, little snowmen. 7, little 8, little 9, little snowmen. 10 snowmen. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Now click on the green arrow. There you go.
Kick.
Now click. The end. Did you like it, Maya?
I like that one.
Oh, but that one means you don't like it. This means you liked it a lot. This means you liked it just a little bit. And that means you didn't like it. Did you like this
No,
one?
this one means you're indifferent.
I like that one.
Just like
You like the blue one?
Hey.
Okay. Hold
Hey.
on. Put the arrow in the blue one.
Really nice.
Okay, now click.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maya,
All right.
Maya, look at me.
Maya,
Look at me. What's your name? No. What's your name?
What's your name? He's asking you.
No, look at me.
Look right here. He's going to talk to you and ask you a question.
Hey. What's your name?
Maya.
Maya what?
Thank you, Sucker.
Maya Alicia Flores. And how old are you?
2.
How old?
2.
Let me see. How many fingers is that?
How many fingers is 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Okay.
How many fingers is 2?
Like this? Yeah.
She's concentrating on that.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.